What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. It is your girl Essence Simone. So today is Wednesday, March 10th, I believe. So it is about 8:30 a.m. and we are on our first order. We just got an order for Chick-fil-A. It is for $3, but we're just gonna go ahead and take it so we can keep that acceptance rate up. Alright, so guys, I just picked up the Chick-fil-A order and we are about to go deliver it. Okay guys, so it looks like I am...
Arrive at 502 Booth Road. Arrived.
At Walmart. Let me call them.
What do team in this?
Is this Doordash?
Hello?
Hi, yes, this is, I'm here with your Doordash order.
Okay.
Is it?
Okay. I'm walking up there.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. That took 20 years. If you know you're gonna have an order being picked up at Walmart, have it ready. Be up here and be ready. That's all. Extra almost 10 minutes because you weren't up here ready to pick up your order. Alright, so we just got another order. It's for Huddle House and it is for $8. And it's only 6 miles, so thumbs up. Okay. Okay guys, so I have my Huddle House order. Okay, so I have made it with my Doordash order. About to go do it. Okay guys, so it is currently 9:32. I am sitting over here near a McDonald's, actually in a McDonald's parking lot, and hopefully we'll get an order soon. Today is Wednesday, so the goal is like maybe $75 if we can stay out here maybe 5 to 6 hours, and we're gonna try to shoot for $75. Right now I'm at $13.50, and I have been out here for maybe about 30-45 minutes, so we will see how the rest of the day continues. Alright, so guys, we just got an order for Chick-fil-A. It's for $5 and it's only 2 miles away. So let's go get it. Alright guys, so we just got an order at CVS. It is for 6 items, so let's go in and see if we can find them. Alright guys, so I have my CVS order and we're about to go deliver it. Hey guys, and by the way, if you're interested in becoming a driver for Doordash, the link will be down in my description below. Right now there is a bonus going on. If you sign up right now using the link down below, you can get $200 for completing 240 deliveries. I know it sounds like a lot, because once you're out here dashing, it goes by so fast. So that's an extra $200 you can get. So hit that link down below and sign up. Guys, so we just got another order for Zaxby's. It's for $5 and it's only 6 miles away. Guys, so I just picked up an order. It was from a restaurant called Mai Tai and Sushi. It was for $7 and it's only like 4 miles away, so that's really good. It is a contactless delivery, so let's get to it. you guys, so I just finished up with my last order. We did meet our goal today. I made $75 in about 6.5 hours. It says 6 hours 25 minutes, so about 6.5 hours, which is really good. So that's about maybe $12 an hour. We did really good today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell to keep up with all my posts, and I will see you guys in the next video.